Alright, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. It's part 2 of the L110 John Deere. I put in the description, and when I made this video it was an LT. It's not. It is an L110, so I do apologize for that. Today we are going to be I'm going to be taking the carburetor off, cleaning it out, and also I'll be changing the oil again. I ran it the way it was, and I'm sure it's probably pretty nasty. I like to run a couple cycles of oil through it. So I'll cut back in here in a few minutes when I'm getting ready to take the carburetor off. Alright, so here we are, we're back again. What you see here is going to be the Kohler 17.5 horse engine. I've already blocked off the gas using these clips that most medical facilities use, and some people that don't need them. So, but anyways, go ahead and pop the gas line off here. Try to get it out. Gas line's on there pretty good. Oh, there we go. Came off. Cool. Alright. Then want to get oil all over our hands, so that way it's bigger. There we go. For future reference, if you guys ever buy a mower, riding mower, whatever, and it doesn't want to start, you can disconnect this little solenoid. It's has, can't remember what it's called offhand, but has like a needle in it that pushes up and down. It allows the correct fuel mixture to come in and out of it. But you can disconnect it, and sometimes the mower run pretty good. It just depends on which kind it is. This one will not do it, I don't think. But anyways, yeah. So now I got the fuel line disconnected. I'm going to unbolt these two bolts here. These are 10 millimeter, if I remember right. And use these handy dandy crash ones I got for Christmas. That's cool. That's nice to know, because I don't have an actual breather for this part here, but I may have something that will work different on here, and I'm going to try that out here in a little while. Hopefully it fits where I need it to fit, because it's a little bit longer, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll work. So anyhow, I am going to have to pause momentarily. Alright, so there you are. We got the carburetor off finally. I'll cut back in here in a few minutes. I'm going to show you. I'm going to be taking off the bowl. And pretty much that's all I'm going to take off on here. If I can get it off, because it's a slightly different design than what I'm used to. Kohler does stuff a little bit different. But I'm pretty sure I can get it off, because these are made to come off so you can change them if they go bad. So anyways, I'll cut back in here in a few minutes. It'll be on my other camera, so you guys will see how that works. Alright, so here we are again. I will be taking this piece off here. So anyways, like I said, it's got like a little plunger in it. It goes up and down, spring loaded, and sends electronic signal to it to tell it when to open and close. A lot of times what happens is these bowls, yeah, they get a little dirty. I don't know if you can see that in the light. Probably not, but there's a little bit of dirt here. The seal is actually really worn too, but it's passable. I can lube it up and make it work. And I'll clean the bowl out and I'll run. I have this thing here. People that do welding know what these are. They're it's for like cleaning the tip on the gun. They work great for cleaning out carburetors too. That's what I bought it for. I don't have a welder, so, but you just take it, push it down into that jet, like so. There we go. Take your 1/2 inch wrench, tighten it back up. There you go. Your carburetor is more or less clean. I mean, there's outside's a little dirty, but I'm not worried about the outside. So long as the inside functions the way it's supposed to, I'm not stressing about it. So anyways, I'll cut back in here in just a few minutes when I will be mounting the carburetor back up, and hopefully be doing a video of it running without backfiring. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, so here we are. I'm putting the carburetor back on now. I had a heck of a time getting this metal piece back on in here. It took me a little while, so I didn't want to film any of that. But I'm going to go ahead and get that back on there. That's the gas line. And get that. Alright, here we go. Here's the oil drain. This is the worst part. Grab a rag real quick because I'm probably going to get myself dirty. most. If you look at that oil, you notice it's not real dark. Last go around it was real dark and had gas in the oil. So always pull your oil cap, that helps it flow faster. I wanted to do a second oil change on it, and this would be a good way to check it. Check it for metal shavings, check it for anything that shouldn't be in there. There's some white fuzzy stuff in there. I'm gonna chalk that up to bad gas being in there still yet. So hopefully it all drains out this time, because oil can get expensive. Alright, so here we are, we're back again. I took the battery out. I was going to fix the battery posts because they were pretty well rigged on there, and I didn't want to take in great detail. But come to find out, the positive battery post is actually broke, and where it don't have a hole anymore, it's just a little hook left on it. So I was going to switch the battery. Turns out my extra batteries are the exact opposite of this one. So, get y'all straightened up here. So I had to stick with what I had originally in there. If I find me another battery, I'll switch it, but I'll probably just sell it as is and discount the price a little bit because of that, you know. That's what happens when you get secondhand stuff sometimes. So we'll go ahead and add the oil. Oil came out pretty good. There wasn't any gas in it that I could smell, so that was a plus. But I do know it needed to be changed again, just for the simple fact I've ran it a few times, let it sit in idle and all that, and it needs a good oil change. So, and I don't like selling stuff that's got, you know, bad oil or anything, residue, buildup, whatever's in it. So, and this motor here is about 2 3/4 oil, or not 2 3/4, 1 3/4 oil. So, but yeah, here we go. Go ahead and hit it and let you guys hear it. Cool, no backfire or none of that. Runs pretty good. Never fails, you know. Give your machine a good carb clean, and it really helps it out. So, anyways, let me turn my camera around here. I'll cut back in here in just a minute. Getting ready to die, but I was going to say, links in the description for my Facebook group, Garage Kept. Patreon.com if you want to support my channel. You can also click on that link. Products used in this series will also be in that link below. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos with like-minded people like yourself or whatever. Thanks for watching.